Hey everyone, this is episode 2 of Python problem solving series, and today we will solve 10 new Python problems covering loops, strings, patterns and list logic. These questions sharpen your logical thinking and help in coding interviews. Let's begin. Question number 1 is given a number and you have to find the sum of its digits. Here is the example is that 1 2 3 4 is a given number and the sum of its digits are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. For solving this problem, we have to use the loop through each character and convert to integer and then sum of them. So basically it will be n equal to input. So it will input a number from the user and we have to initialize total equals to 0. For digit in n, total will be total plus integer of digit and print total. So finally it will print the sum of the digits in the given number. So this will simple logic using iteration. And the next question is count words in a sentence. If a given sentence, you have to count the words inside the sentence. So here we have to use split function that separates the string wherever there are spaces, and this will be the counting words will be the equal the length of the list. So for finding the length of the list, we have to use the length function. So it will be s equal to input, that means it will input a sentence from the user, and words equal to s dot split, that means split function separates the string wherever there are spaces, and print length of words, that means the counting words will be the same of the length of the list. And the next question is remove duplicates from the list. You have created a list, and if there are duplicate items are inside the list and you have to remove the duplicate items, then what you do? For solving this, we manually check if an element already exists before adding. This is the beginner friendly version to understand list of logic. So it will be list, map, int, input and split. Unique list, we have to create an unique list. For x in array, if x not in unique list, it will append the list. So this will be the easy method for solving this. You can use multiple methods for solve this. And the next question is Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is a sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers, and it have the formula as f of n equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2 for n greater than equal to 2. And here is the example that Fibonacci series is 0 1 1 2 3. That means here 1 is the sum of previous 0 and another one is the sum of two previous 1 plus 0, that is 1, and 2 is the sum of previous 1 and 1, that is 2, and 3 is the previous sum two numbers, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So for solving this, we use two pointers a and b to generate each next Fibonacci number. And pointer is one who what are used for store the address of another variable. So n equal to int input, that means it will inputted, and ab we have to initialize as 0 and 1. For in range n, print a and n will be spaces ab equal to b and a plus b. So this is the simplest problem in Fibonacci series. And the next question is count uppercase and lowercase letters. For count the uppercase and lowercase letters, Python provides built-in string functions, that is each upper function and each lower function. Each upper function is count the uppercase and each lower function is used to count the lowercase. So this will be s equal to input, and initialize we have to u means uppercase and l means lowercase as 0. For character in s, that means if character is upper, then it will be u equal to u plus 1, and if character is lower, that means l equal to l plus 1. So it will print at the upper and lower case letters. And the next question is find the second largest number. We remove the duplicates using the set function and sort the list and pick the second last element, that means the second largest element. So basically we have to first sort the list. For sorting a list, we have to use array equal to list map int input and split function. Array will be list and set of array, that means it remove the duplicates, and then the array will be sorted. Then we have to find the second largest. So inside we have to use the array of -2. This will find the second largest number in the series. And the next question is check Armstrong number. As we know, an Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its digit raised to the power of the number of digits. Here is the example is 153. So here are three digits. So it will be 1q, 5q and 3q. That means 1 plus 125 plus 27 equal to 153. So the result of the 153 is same the initial number. So this can be treated as a Armstrong number. So we raise each digit to the power equal to the total number of digits. If the sum matches original number, that means it will be the Armstrong. So we can solve as n equal to input, that means a number will be inputted and we have to initialize total equal to 0 and the power will be length of n, that means the length of the number will be the power. For digit in n, total will be total plus integer of digit into power, and if total equal to n, that means the inputted number, then it will be Armstrong or else it will not. And the next question is print star pattern. For printing star, we have to use iterations. That means I repeats the string items, and this will simple and clean pattern printing. So it will be n equal to int input. That means a number will be inputted. For I in range, that means 1, n plus 1 means first it will 1, next time it will be 1 plus 1, next time it will be n plus 1. That means 2 plus 1 will be 3. Similarly, this series. So this will simple and clean. And the next question is find index of an element in list. So index function returns the first occurrence index of the element. So it will be array equal to list map int input split as usual. X equal to int input enter a element and number an element will be inputted. And if x in the array, that means it will print the index of array of index, or else it will print not found. If not found, then it will be printed there is nothing. So we will first check existence to avoid errors. And the next question is merge to sorted list. You have given two sorted list and we have to merge them. For solving this, here we have to create two lists A and B, and initialize we have to use I and j equal to 0 and merged while I of length less than A and j less than of length B. If A of I less than B of j, then we can merge at append, that means I equal to I plus 1, or else we can merge append of B of j, that means j equal to z plus 1. So this will be the classic two pointers technique and used in merge sort. We compare elements from both list and merge in ascending order, efficient and used in competitive programming. So in this episode, we solved 10 problems of using loops, strings and list concept. These included sum of digits, word count, remove duplicates, Fibonacci series, cache count, second largest and Armstrong number, pattern printing, index search and merging list. These are more practice questions from Python beginners and job seekers. If you want episode 3 with more medium level and pattern focused problems, then comment episode 3 right now. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.